Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how to delete iOS 16 beta 1 without system, without MacBook or any third party. So let's start the video. Firstly, open settings app and tap on general. Scroll down, hit the VPN and device management. Just tap on it. As you can see, iOS 16 beta software profile, tap on it. Now you can see here remove profile. Tap on it. Enter your iPhone passcode. Tap remove again. Apply changes, restart required, tap on not now. That's it. Thanks for watching my video.